10 ways to make her want to sleep with you and feel safe in the bedroom.
Let me smell.
No. Ew. Ew, that's gross. Mr. Ross.
Reflecting on my younger days, I recall a moment when an intimate encounter with a woman took an unexpectedly awkward turn. Hey, let's be real here. We've all been there. You're in the heat of the moment, things are going well, and then suddenly, it's like you hit a roadblock.
I don't know, we could do something else, or we could, if you don't.
But here's the thing. We all make mistakes. It's part of the journey. Recently, one of our subscribers reached out with a heartfelt thank you message. He shared his journey from struggling with intimacy to becoming a true pro, where now, women can't seem to get enough of him. It's stories like these that remind us that growth and transformation are not only possible, but achievable. Keep shining, keep growing, and remember, your success is just around the corner.
You have something more devious in mind.
Saints and sinners has a nice feel.
We're going to spill the beans on some of the simple yet powerful tips he learned from us that have women practically begging to spend the night with him. So, buckle up and get ready, because we're diving right into it. 1. Get her out of her head. Many times, a woman's own thoughts and feelings can be the biggest problem that stops her from enjoying being close with someone. Men might focus more on how their bodies feel, but women often care more about how they feel emotionally and mentally during intimacy. Lots of women need to feel good in their minds to fully enjoy being close with someone. If they're worried, feeling unsure about themselves, or thinking negative thoughts, it can make it hard for them to enjoy the moment. The more you help a woman feel accepted, attractive, and safe during any intimate activity, the more she will be able to relax and enjoy herself. When you create a safe and comfortable environment, it helps her let go of any worries or insecurities she might have. This allows her to fully enjoy the experience. If you can help her feel at ease mentally, her body will naturally relax as well. 2. Calm her nerves. It's important to pay attention to how a woman feels during intimacy. If she seems uncomfortable or hesitant, don't ignore it. Instead, take the time to understand what might be bothering her. Maybe she feels nervous, unsure, or even scared. By noticing her discomfort, you show that you care about her feelings and well-being. This can help build trust and make her feel more secure. When a woman feels uncomfortable, don't try to push her past her feelings. Once you manage to calm her nerves and get her comfortable, there will be a lot of activities at the end. Showing patience and understanding will help her feel more respected and valued, and she will open up about even her deepest fantasies. 3. Tell her exactly what you want. Women find it incredibly exciting when a man clearly expresses what he wants to do with them. Hearing specific and confident desires can be thrilling and sexy, adding a lot of excitement to the experience. It shows confidence and honesty, which are very attractive qualities. So don't be shy. Be straightforward about what you want. This openness can make the experience much more enjoyable for both of you. You can also ask her where she wants to be touched. You never know where might be a sensitive zone for her. Instead of hinting or being vague, be a man and say exactly what you mean. 4. Treat her like a lady. Yes, many women have a side that enjoys being seen as a naughty and intimate person. They might like to feel desired and adventurous in that way. However, this doesn't mean they want to be treated poorly or without respect. It's important to remember that even if a woman enjoys being playful and daring, she still wants to be treated with kindness and care. She wants to feel valued and respected, not just as an object. All the other fantasies and intimate scenarios can come into play. But you first have to see her, look at her, be with her, treat her with respect as a woman. After that, she will make all your fantasies in the bedroom come true. 5. Give her a real compliment. Offering genuine compliments can have a big impact on how a woman feels about herself. It's important to find the right balance so she knows you mean what you say. Instead of only saying nice things about her looks, which might seem superficial, focus on what makes her special on the inside. For example, If you notice she's kind, smart, or funny, let her know. This shows that you appreciate more than just how she looks. It tells her that you value her for who she is as a person. These kinds of compliments don't just boost her confidence, they also strengthen the bond between you by showing that you care about what's on the inside, not just the outside. Studies from evolutionary psychologists show that women are naturally inclined to be cautious about what men say. They might not easily believe exaggerated or insincere compliments. It's their way of protecting themselves from manipulative men who don't want to commit to a relationship. The more a compliment is tailored to that specific woman, the more intimate and effective it is. 6. Bring out your intelligence. For many women, it's incredibly attractive when a man is very intelligent. However, it's not about men who are arrogant or try to show off their knowledge in a condescending way. Instead, it's about men who naturally know a lot about different topics and talk about them confidently and respectfully. These men don't try to prove they are smarter than everyone else. They simply share their knowledge with genuine interest and enthusiasm. This kind of intelligence, combined with confidence and humility, can be very appealing and create a strong attraction. So use your intelligence as foreplay and then transition it to more. 7. Tease her in public. We're not suggesting being rude or insulting, like pulling her hair or saying she smells bad. What we're talking about is being subtly naughty in public. For instance, if you're sitting across from friends and talking about politics, you can secretly slide your fingers up her thigh to just around the edge of her underwear. Do this for about 15 seconds and then pull your hand away. Engaging in this kind of playful teasing throughout the evening can have a powerful effect on her anticipation and excitement. Each subtle touch or suggestive gesture adds to the buildup of tension between you, creating a sense of eager anticipation for what's to come. As the evening progresses, the anticipation continues to grow, fueling her desire to be alone with you. By the time you finally have some private time together, the tension is at its peak, and she's likely to respond with intense passion. 8. Bring out your inner caveman. Nothing gets a woman in the mood faster than feeling her man truly craving her. Women love to feel desired by a man they are interested in. Give your girl an unexpected, passionate kiss. Gently grab her hair and run your hands through it while your lips lock. When dinner is over, show her your desire in a bold way. Pick her up, throw her over your shoulder, carry her into the bedroom, and toss her onto the bed. This kind of spontaneous and confident action can make her feel incredibly wanted and excited. 9. Flirt with her throughout the day. Anticipation can be incredibly arousing. Send her 3 to 4 texts during the day, letting her know what you have in store for the evening. Tell her how attractive she is and how much she excites you. Then, mention specific things you enjoy that are unique to her, like the way she laughs or a special gesture she does. By personalizing your messages, she'll know they're genuine and not just generic lines. This builds anticipation and makes her feel desired in a very special way. It sets the mood for an exciting and passionate encounter later on. Don't get offended if she does not respond right away, or even at all. Many women are not comfortable with this type of forwardness because they don't know how to respond. Just keep going. This shows her you're comfortable being sexual, and she can be too. 10. Touch her slowly. Nothing excites her more than when a man tenderly touches her entire body, starting with a gentle massage at her feet. Then, slowly moving up her legs, caressing the inner thighs, before moving on to softly stroking the sides of her belly and chest. Finally, ending by brushing his lips against her back and neck. This makes her feel excited and want more. This loving action can make both people feel really good, making their bond stronger. But it's very important to watch how she acts and reacts during the moment. This way, you can make sure she feels okay and valued, making it easier for intimacy to grow. Being so attentive shows that you cares about her, making the experience better for both of you. All right, guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.